At the time of this video, Usain Bolt holds 8 Olympic medals and 2 world records that are still undefeated 11 years later.
Here comes Usain Bolt! Usain Bolt storming through, he takes it again!
There's already a ton of videos analyzing his technique, so I want to explore some concepts that haven't been talked about much or at all. Sprint secret number 1, train on grass to get more volume in.
Train on the grass track, then we go on the shepherd. You can't train on the shepherd 24/7 days. You start have shin problems because it's so hard.
What I understand from this clip is that in order to train more with less stress on the body, Usain Bolt spends a decent amount of his training on a grass surface, because compared to a rubber track, a grass surface will absorb your impact. Although you might not get as much bounce, it places less demand on your body, which seems like a really useful piece of information, especially if you're just sprinting for exercise and want to minimize any potential negatives. Sprint secret number 2, keep the elbows in close. If you look closely, Usain Bolt keeps his elbow tucked during the forward swing, and Johan Blake in second place is doing the same thing. Now compare that to Justin Gatlin and the other guys behind them, it's a huge difference. Also, take a look how on the backswing, he keeps the elbow bent so that the hand doesn't get too far from his body. When Usain Bolt set the world record for 100 meters, he hit his maximum speed between 60 and 70 meters before entering deceleration. Toward the end of the race, you're just trying to maintain as much of that top speed as you can. So it makes sense to me that this technique creates the range of motion he needs to maintain his speed and nothing more. Compared to the other guys who they might be burning energy faster with an arm swing, which is larger than what is needed. And if you're finding this helpful or interesting, don't forget to hit the like button for me. I appreciate it in advance. Sprint secret number 3, stretching. Look at Usain Bolt's range of motion in this clip. You know that that's a crazy amount of flexibility. What makes us think that us mortals are gonna get any results, avoid injury, and much less even win any sort of athletic competition without doing something remotely close to what he's doing? After watching this video, I know that for myself at least, I gotta step it up. Sprint secret number 4, build a strong lower back. From watching his training footage in the gym, I was surprised to see how much work he actually does for his lower back. From what I understand, the lower back works together with the glutes and hamstrings to create hip extension. So the theory here is that the stronger you get your lower back, the more effective the posterior chain can do its job of attacking the ground powerfully. Sprint secret number 5, grow up in Jamaica. So here's all you gotta do. Get a time machine, go back, and have your entire line of ancestors move, live, and grow up in Jamaica month after month. The highs stay between 85 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. I already knew that they had hot weather, but I didn't know that they had a consistent temperature all year round. I imagine that if the weather is intense but consistent, your body can adapt effectively and perform at a higher level compared to if you live in a location where the weather just changes drastically. And that's the end of this video. If you made it this far, it's safe to assume that you enjoyed it. So once again, hit the like button for me. If you have anything else to add, let me know in the comments. Besides that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.